What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your first $100 on Clickbank in the first 24 hours. So if you're brand new to Clickbank, you've never made any money with Clickbank, this is the video you're going to want to watch. And I'm going to take you through this step by step. And even if you have made money with Clickbank and you are making money right now, you definitely want to watch this video because I'm going to show you this new way of getting traffic to Clickbank products that you probably haven't done before. So you're definitely going to want to watch this video. Now, I've been making money on Clickbank for quite some time now, and this method is kind of new to the market, and we've been playing around with it, testing it, and it's working extremely well right now. And I'll explain more of how that works as we go through this video. Now, in this video, I'm doing something a little bit special. I'm giving you everything you need. So I'm actually going to be giving you a cheat sheet so you can follow along and you can follow all the steps in this video that I take you through step by step so you know exactly what to do in this training. And this video is going to be a 3-step, super simple process of taking you through how to make your first $100 on Clickbank using the affiliate marketing method online. Now, before we jump into this video, we are doing the giveaway in this video. This is the last one before Christmas, so you're going to want to make sure you do this one. In this video, there will be an emoji. Once you find that emoji, smash that like button first, and then comment down below, emoji plus cash or course, and whatever one you actually want, we will draw a winner for the next video, and you can win some cash or you can win access to one of my courses. All of you OG subscribers know exactly what to do. If you're new to this, just go into the comment section and see what other people are doing. So let's jump into this training, guys, and I'll take you through step by step how to make money online with Clickbank. Now, if you're new to Clickbank and how it works and how people actually make money with this particular platform, what we do is we go onto the Clickbank marketplace and we do things like find specific products to promote, and we make money. So for example, with this product, we would make an average sale of around about $256. And we send people to a specific link. When they click on that link and they make a purchase, we can make money. So we make money right here. And this is the average sale of this product, $256. Now, this isn't the product we're talking about in this video. It's just an example, but you can make some pretty good money with the Clickbank marketplace. And it's one of the main affiliate marketing marketplaces online where you can find products to promote. And all you do is find a product, you click promote, and you get the special link that you can use. Now, the first step is very simple. You want to go to clickbank.com and you want to click on sign up. And it's going to take you through some simple steps to get your account started. Okay, so you've got country, first name, last name, phone number, email address, and password. Pretty standard stuff for signing up to websites. Once you've signed up to the website, it's going to actually take you to a place that looks like this. This is called the marketplace. On the marketplace, I've got to give you a quick rundown of Clickbank and how it works, just in case you're new to this type of stuff, okay? So how this works is on the left here, we have these categories. If I click on this category here, for example, which is e-business and e-marketing, email marketing, we can go down here and there's all of these particular products that we could potentially promote to make money. If I click on this one here, promote, I would get a custom link by going generate hop link. And I would send people to this link to make money. And this particular product pays out $217. Now, if you want to learn more about Clickbank, I have some videos below on how it actually works. But what we're going to do in this video is take you through the steps of how to actually make money with this particular method. So, step number 1 is simple. We need to go and find a product, and this product needs a couple of criterias: a good commission and has resources we can use. Now, the particular niche, don't worry, I've actually found the perfect niche for this on the testing that we've been doing. So I'll go and show you the exact niche right now. You want to go back to the marketplace and you want to go down to the this one here, the spirituality, new age, and alternative beliefs. And there's all of these particular products you can promote. This top one's pretty good. I do know this converts very well. This one is very good as well. But if we actually go down to this one here, which is called the bioenergy code, this is a new one I think that's doing extremely well. I think it's new, it looks new. And they pay out an average of $50 per sale. So a pretty high conversion when you compare it to the rest of these that are paying, 17, 23, 21. It's essentially paying double than the ones above it. And they have a $1.50 plus EPCs, which is very, very good for a Clickbank product. And what they have is they have this page you can click on right here. and it gives you all the affiliate tools that you need. Okay, so you can sign up. So you click on that, you can sign up as an affiliate, but you don't actually have to sign up as an affiliate. You can click promote and you can get your link that way. Okay, but if we go down, you can scroll down and you can go click here to get access to tools. And it gives you everything. It's got frequently asked questions. It's got links. So if you click on links, you can get your own custom links. All you do is you put in your Clickbank username here, and it'll create a custom link for you. Okay, but we don't need that. It's got some swipes for emails, which we're going to be using soon, and it's got some Facebook stuff if you want to run Facebook ads and stuff like that, but that's not what this video is about. So that's the particular program that seems to be working well in this method that I'm about to show you, and this is called the bioenergy code. You're going to want to go to step number 2, and this is very important to make money with this. So step number 2 requires you to create a bridge page and collect emails. The reason we do this is for 2 reasons, because we can't just go and send out affiliate link to people because it doesn't usually work. We need to actually warm them up with emails and stuff, and a lot of platforms you can't even do that on. And so what I've actually done is first of all, I'll explain to you how you can create a bridge page. You can use a program called ClickFunnels if you like, or there's other ones that you can use, but the one that I use is ClickFunnels. And there's a cheat sheet below that you can click on, and in that cheat sheet, I actually give you a free template that you can use. You will need to have a ClickFunnels account, but you can click on this link here, and you'll get a page that looks like this, okay? A very simple page. Now, I will warn you that this video is not a tutorial on how to use ClickFunnels, okay? If you want to know how to use ClickFunnels, you can simply go below and I'll have a video tutorial on how to do that, okay? On how to use ClickFunnels and how to set all of this up. But what I will do is show you how to put your affiliate link in so you can direct people to the page after they put in their email. So first of all, you can edit all this stuff. So I've just done it for this tutorial. Free bioenergy training reveals how to manifest an energetic, abundant life, even if you struggle to find daily energy. Now you want to test headings, you can simply change this stuff, and you're going to want to test headings, okay? And just see what one works the best. And then watch video now. And first of all, what we want to do is we want to send them to this affiliate link. So I go promote and generate hop link, copy. And let me just show you the page real quick before we move on. So what's going to happen is they're going to be taken to this page where there's a video. Now, if the button to buy is not there, that's fine. It can be on a timer. I've already watched this page. So it's going to take them to a free video that they can watch. Okay, and they can purchase this product. What you want to do in your ClickFunnels account is you want to go to settings and then general. And then where it says on submit go to, you want to put in your affiliate link, okay? So when they click this, this is actually going to, this has actually got a pop-up linked to it. So I'll be collecting an email. Like I said, there's a video below on how to set all that up. You go to settings, integrations, and you can integrate the email. I haven't actually done it here. And then once you do that and you collect the email, what's going to happen is it's going to get directed to that page by going to general and on submit go to. Or if you want to, you can skip collecting emails. I would advise you do collect emails, and you go to watch video now, and you go set action, and then you go to website URL and paste in the affiliate link, okay? And what's going to happen is when people click on this video, on this button here, it's going to take them to that video. Now, I don't want to make this work right now because people are going to be using this, so I'm going to go to open up pop-up. And if I actually preview this, and I'll just go to general, and I'll put in the affiliate link, and I'll go to save, and I'll preview this. What's going to happen is I'm going to click here. It's going to ask for an email. You change all this stuff here. I'm going to put in the email. And now it's going to direct to that affiliate offer. Okay, very simple to set up. Like I said, there'll be a video below on a full tutorial on how you can set all of that up. But there's 2 reasons why you want this. Number 1, you want to be collecting emails. You don't have to, but you do want to. but you can't go and send people directly to an affiliate link. 99% of the time, it doesn't work very well. And I'll leave a link to this below, plus all the free training in this document page. So essentially how it works is you're going to be sending people to the bridge page, then you're going to be directing them to the affiliate link, but you're also going to be collecting their emails so you can send out emails automatically in the back end. I'll also leave a video below on how to set up all the emails. Now, the best part about the emails is you can use a system called GetResponse.com or ClickFunnels. You can do it in there as well. This is the one that I use, okay, is GetResponse. You can actually use GetResponse for the landing page if you like, and the email marketing, save you just using one program. That's up to you. But you go and use this to set up the email marketing. Now, the best thing about this product is if you go to Swipes, they have all the emails that you can use right here. You simply take these emails, you create the automatic emails in the back end, put in your affiliate link, and they get sent out automatically. Okay? So you can do all that. Once again, there'll be a video below. I just want to take you through the steps of how this actually works. Now, the next step is probably the most important, is traffic. But not only that, we want to make money in 24 hours. So it needs to be quick traffic, it needs to be laser targeting, it needs to be easy traffic to get, and we need to be able to get it in 24 hours. Okay. Now, this is a traffic source that we use for drop shipping, and people are starting to use it for affiliate marketing. And that is actually using Instagram shout outs. Okay. What I've actually done is I've put a bit of a list here of the best pages in this niche to actually go and do this. Step number one is simple. You want to find a bunch of pages, 10, 20, 30 pages. To do that, go to one of these links here, okay, one of these usernames, put it into Instagram, and then click this little tab here. And it's going to give you all of the related pages that have lots of followers. Go and DM, so I can't do it on here because I'm on desktop, but go and direct message all of these pages and ask them if they do shout outs. Okay, that's the first step. Then some of them will send you back a price list and you can negotiate if you like, but I would recommend just paying the price to start and then see how it goes. Here's another one here. What you want to do is, this has 2.5 million followers. And what you want to do is you want to go and create an image, a really nice catchy image. You can use something like canva.com, okay? And you can go to, say, Instagram post, and you can create a picture. These are all Christmas ones, but you can create a picture based on inspiration, spiritual stuff, whatever you're trying to promote. Do something kind of similar to what they've done here, because we know that their followers are going to react to it. Like here, this guy here, this is a shout out from another guy right here who's obviously paid them to do a shout out. So you contact them. Once they give you the price list, you find a price that you like, and then you ask them to put the link of your bridge page, this page here, once you've set it all up, into their description, into their profile here. And they'll do it for the time you've paid them to do the shout out. Then what happens is people will see this, and then in the caption, they'll have something that says, hey, if you want to know more, check out the link in our profile. And then they go to your page and they could potentially purchase the product from you. But what I do recommend is finding a bunch of related Instagrams by going to here, okay, contacting them all. We actually had a better chance on the last one. Okay, so contacting them all and getting that price list and doing one shout out at a time and waiting for that shout out to be over so you know if it made you sales or not. You don't want to do 4 or 5 at once because you don't know what one's going to be making you the sales. And then write down what account made you sales and what account made you profit. And the ones that made you profit, you simply rinse and repeat the process and keep doing it until you burn out the audience and you don't make any money anymore. And then you go and find another profile that made you profit and you keep doing that over and over again. And you make money doing this, and you could potentially make your first $100. Now, if you want some more free training on how to make money with affiliate marketing, I'll leave some videos up on the screen that will take you through step by step how to start your own affiliate marketing business. These are free videos. You can go and watch them right now. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell. Any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to them as fast as I can, and I'll see you in one of the videos on the right.